Good morning, sir.
Hello? What happened to your voice? You seems to be weird. What happened?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Edwin, how are you?
Fine.
Okay.
How are you, sir?
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
രണ്ടെണ്ണത്തിന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്തോടെ വരണം. USB കുട്ടികളൊരെണ്ണം വരണം. വന്നു. സ്പീക്കർ ഫോർ USB സൗണ്ട് ഡിവൈസ് ആയില്ലേ? Okay. Avani Santosh, how are you?
I'm fine.
ലക്ഷ്മി പ്രിയ, എന്തൊക്കെയുണ്ട് വിശേഷം? Adul, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ലക്ഷ്മി പ്രിയ, ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടൊന്നും ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. എന്തുണ്ട് വിശേഷം? ലക്ഷ്മി പ്രിയ, ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്, ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. ലക്ഷ്മി പ്രിയ എന്നെ ആദ്യം കാണുകയെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. ഞാനും വലിയ പരിചയം ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ മിഴിച്ചു നോക്കുന്നുണ്ട് സാറിനെ. എന്റെ വീഡിയോ ഓൺ അല്ലായിരുന്നല്ലോ, അതുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും മിഴിച്ചു നോക്കുന്നല്ലേ. ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാവരും സുഖമല്ലേ? രാവിലെ എഴുന്നേറ്റോ? പല്ലൊക്കെ തേച്ചോ? ഓക്കെ. ഡിഡ് യു ഹാവ് എ ടീ ഓർ കോഫി?
Yes.
കോഫി ഒന്നും കിട്ടിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ ആ സ്പീക്കറിലിട്ടോ. അയ്യോ, മക്കൾക്ക് ഇതുവരെ കാപ്പി കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? അമ്മയോട് കാപ്പി വെച്ച് തരാൻ സാറ് പറയാ കേട്ടോ. സ്പീക്കറിലിട്ടോ, ഞാൻ ഉറക്കെ പറഞ്ഞോളാം, അപ്പൊ പെട്ടെന്ന് കാപ്പി കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, റെഡി അല്ലേ?
Good morning, miss.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, miss. Good morning, miss.
കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ലേ?
Yes.
Okay. Did you read the lesson? Did you read the lesson? Yes. Adul, did you read? Yes or no? No. Why? Okay. Today we want to continue our chapter, isn't it?
What's the projector on there?
Yes. Please type present in your chat box. Don't forget to type present in your chat box. All of you got your marks, exam marks? Yes or no? Yes. How is your marks? Good or bad?
I don't get the mark.
Edwin, you don't get mark?
No.
Okay, I will give it today itself. Shall we continue our lesson?
Yes.
Where did we stop?
Miss, page number
Page,
17.
page, page number 17. And I think we had, yes, said Papa. We had completed that paragraph, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now we are going to continue the chapter. Please listen carefully. I will read it first. Okay, listen carefully. Not a bit, replied Kathy cheerfully. I could do it alone, I think. Oh, the bookcase door has been mended. How nice it looks. Yes, here we have already said that Kathy came down to the room, isn't it? Kathy was living in the upstairs. Now, Kathy came down to the room along with his father, isn't it? And she is looking all around the things in that house, isn't it? Yes. Now, Kathy saw a what? Bookcase. Bookcase. A shelf used to keep books. She saw a bookcase in that room. Before that, Kathy's father asked her that whether you are tired or are you very tired? But Kathy said that not a bit. Yes. Kathy said that she is not tired. Is it clear? Kathy is not tired, and she said it cheerfully. Cheerfully means with happy. With happy. Okay. I could do it alone, I think. Then Kathy says that she could do it alone. She could do it alone. And the bookcase door has been mended. Yes. Then she looks all around the house and she says that the bookcase door has been mended. The bookshelf door has been repaired. It is modified in some way. Okay. How nice it looks. Yes. Here Kathy says about the bookcase door. She says that how nice it looks. It's very beautiful to see the bookcase. Is it clear? Yes. Then, don't wait, oh don't wait, repeated Phil in an agony of impatience. Yes. Here, Phil is one member of that family. Phil says that don't wait, oh don't wait. Not able to wait. Agony of impatience means not able to wait patiently. Yes. They repeatedly says that don't look around these type of things. There is a big surprise for you. All the people in that house said like this. These are only simple things. You have big surprise is there to wait. And so they moved on. Yes. So Kathy and her father moved on. Papa opened the parlor door. Papa opened the parlor door. Parlor door means sitting room. Parlor means sitting room. Okay. So Papa opened the door of sitting room. Kathy took one step into the room, then stopped. Yes. Now Kathy take a step into that room and then she stopped. Then she stopped. The color flashed over her face and she held the doorknob to support herself. What was it that she saw? Yes. Here, while entering into that room, color flashed over her face. It means that room is decorated very beautifully with colorful things. So, while entering into that room, Kathy can feel the color. Kathy can feel beautiful color. She held the doorknob to support herself. Doorknob means a round handle of door. In our houses, there may be some handle for door, isn't it? Yes. Here, Kathy standing in that room and holding that doorknob. Is it clear? Yes. For what? In order to support herself, she held that doorknob. What was it that she saw? Not merely the room itself with its fresh curtains and vases of flowers, nor even the wide, beautiful window which had been cut toward the sun, or inviting little couch and table which stood there, evidently for her. Yes, here we can see the condition or the condition of the room. Not merely the room itself with its fresh curtains and vases of flowers. Yes, Kathy saw that in that room there are fresh curtains. Fresh curtain means neat curtains, beautiful neat curtains, and vases of flowers, flower vases. There we can see beautiful curtains and flower vases. Is it clear? In that room, Kathy can see beautiful curtains as well as beautiful flower vases. Is it clear? Yes. Any doubt? Okay. Then
Doorknob എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ sir?
doorknob means round handle of door. ഡോറിന് ഒരു ഹാൻഡിൽ ഉണ്ടാവൂലേ? അതിനാണ് ഡോർ നോബ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. Nor even the wide, beautiful window which had been cut toward the sun, or the inviting little couch and table which stood there, evidently for her. Yes. Here, Kathy can see beautiful window. Yes, this window is cut toward the sun. Here, it means she will get beautiful sunrise through that window. Is it clear? There's a window, and from that window, Kathy can easily see the beautiful sunrise. Then there is a little couch and table stood there. Yes, she can also see that there is a little couch. Little couch means furniture. We can see furnitures there and table which stood there, evidently for her. Yes, there is furniture as well as tables in that room. She can see all these things in that room. Who made these things beautiful in that room? Who may be the person? Who may be the person who made this room very beautiful?
Elsie, Cousin Helen,
Clover. We have already said that Clover take the responsibility to make the room very beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So we can say that Clover made this room very beautiful. No, now let's continue. No, there was something else. Yes, she saw all these things, but there was something else. What was that? The sofa was pulled out, and thereupon it, supported by pillows, lay Cousin Helen. Yes, she saw the sofa was pulled a little back, and in that sofa, she saw one person. Who was that? Who was that? That was
Cousin Helen.
yes. That was Cousin Helen. Cousin Helen was laying in that sofa. She was laying in that sofa, and her bright eyes were turned towards the door. Yes, now we have already said that Kathy is stood near the door, isn't it? So this cousin Helen is looking towards the door in order to see whom? Kathy. When she saw Kathy, she held out her arms. Yes. What was the reaction of Helen? When
She held out her arms.
yes, she held out her arms or hands to Kathy. Is it clear? Yes. Then next page, page number 18. Sorry, before that we want to discuss. Let's revise. First question: why did Papa tell Kathy to wait for some more time before going downstairs? Why did Papa tell Kathy to wait for some more time before going downstairs?
ചെറുങ്ങനായിട്ട് ആൻസർ അറിയാം.
Okay, you can say.
കാത്തിക്ക് താഴേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോ ക്ഷീണം പിടിക്കണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചിട്ട്.
Yes. Is this answer is correct or wrong? What about others' opinion? Is this correct? Yes. So we can say that because going downstairs may tire this Kathy, tire this girl. Okay, then next question. Shall we move to the next one? Any doubt?
Yes, miss.
Doubt? Hannah?
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay. Don't forget to type attendance. ആരെങ്കിലും മറന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ attendance type ചെയ്യണം. Okay, then next question. Who took Kathy downstairs?
Papa. Her papa.
Yes, Papa took Kathy downstairs. Please mute your audios. All of you, please mute your audios. Ruvais, are you listening here? Are you bored? Sit properly, Ruvais. Okay. Then Clover admitted afterwards that she never was so frightened in her life as at this moment. Kathy, forgetting her weakness, let go of Papa's arm and absolutely ran towards the sofa. Yes. Next page, we can see that Clover admitted afterwards that she never was so frightened in her life as at this moment. Yes, here Clover says that Clover became terrified or feared. What was the reason? Because Clover becomes so frightened here. What may be the reason? Any idea? You will get the answer from the very next line. Kathy forgetting her weakness, isn't it? We know that Kathy is little bit weak, isn't it? So while seeing this cousin Helen, Kathy did not think about her weakness or tiredness, isn't it? She fastly turned towards this Kathy. Is it clear? Any doubt? Okay. Muhammad, is it clear? Okay, I forgot to tell one thing that Lakshmi Priya and Hannah Rose got full marks in exam. Okay, Edwin, I will give your marks today itself. I don't know whether you got full mark. I think you also got full mark. Okay, I will give your marks. Okay, Lakshmi Priya and Handa Rose got full marks in examination, and Lakshmi Priya's answer sheet was very nice to read. Hannah's also. Okay. Try to write this way in next exam. Okay. Kore alkar exam ezhuditillalo. I will conduct one more exam for the chapter One Stormy Night and Looking Glass River. Tuesday 7 a.m. Are you okay?
Yes.
You should write the exam. Okay. If you have any problem, you can inform me. Okay. Yes. Looking Glass River is a small poem, isn't it? There is nothing in that poem to detail and study in a detailed way. Please mute your audios.
Miss,
Okay. You can say
എപ്പോഴാ എക്സാം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞേ?
Tuesday 7 p.m.
Okay.
Two chapters, that is Looking Glass River and One Stormy Night. എക്സാം ആരും എഴുതാതിരിക്കരുത്. ആരെങ്കിലും എഴുതുന്നില്ല, എന്തെങ്കിലും റീസൺ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്നെ നിർബന്ധമായിട്ടും അറിയിച്ചിരിക്കണം.
വ്യാഴാഴ്ചയാണ് മിസ്സേ?
നോ, ട്യൂസ്ഡേ.
ചൊവ്വാഴ്ച?
യെസ്.
മിസ്സേ, ചൊവ്വാഴ്ച വേറെ പരീക്ഷയുണ്ട്.
വിച്ച് വൺ?
മലയാളം.
7 p.m. At 7 p.m.
അല്ല മിസ്സേ, വേറെ സയൻസിന്റെ എക്സാം ഉണ്ട്.
You are not okay with that date?
മിസ്സേ ഇട്ടോ മിസ്സേ, എക്സാം ഇട്ടോ. മിസ്സേ വ്യാഴാഴ്ച ഇട്ടോ മിസ്സേ. മിസ്സേ ട്യൂസ്ഡേ ഇട്ടോ.
ബാക്കി എല്ലാവരും ട്യൂസ്ഡേ ഓക്കെ ആണോ?
Yes.
Okay. We can conduct the exam Tuesday. Mohammed, we can conduct the exam Tuesday itself. You can easily got full marks. You just read the lesson. If you read the lesson, you will get good marks. Okay. Some of you didn't submit your notes. I know. നോട്ട് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെ ഇന്നൊരു ദിവസം കൂടി മാത്രം ഞാൻ ടൈം തരും. I will inform your parents. Tomorrow I will inform your parents. So you should submit your notes today itself. I have the list of people who submit their notes. Okay.
Stormy night അതുകൂടി എനിക്ക് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളൂ.
ഓക്കെ. ചില ആൾക്കാർ ഒരു നോട്ട് പോലും സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ട്. ആരാന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നില്ല, അവർ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. യു ഷുഡ് സബ്മിറ്റ് യുവർ നോട്ട്സ് ടുഡേ ഇറ്റ്സെൽഫ്. ഇന്ന് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് പേഴ്സണൽ ആയിട്ട് മെസ്സേജ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതർവൈസ് I will call your parent. I will inform your parent. Okay. Tomorrow I will inform your parent. Okay അല്ലേ? ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുള്ളവർ അറിയിക്കണം. അറിയിക്കാതെ നോട്ട് സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാതിരിക്കരുത്.
വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ആക്കുവാണ്. മിസ്സിന്റെ പറയും വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ആയിരിക്കുമ്പോഴേ നെറ്റ് കിട്ടുന്നുള്ളൂ. എന്റെ കൂടെ വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ആകുമ്പോ മിസ്സിന്റെ ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കാണ്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay, you can turn off. Okay, is it okay? Shall we continue? Don't forget.
Yes.
don't forget to submit your notes, and you will have an exam on Tuesday. Okay. You can message me. Who is that? Okay, shall we continue? Yes, please listen carefully. Oh, cousin Helen, dear cousin Helen, she cried. Then she tumbled down by the sofa somehow. Yes, we have already said that. This Kathy ran towards this cousin Helen without knowing or by forgetting her difficulties. And now she is not in her father's arm. Now she is near her cousin Helen. Oh, cousin Helen, dear cousin Helen, she cried. Yes, here she cried means she says in an excitement. She was so much excited. So she cried, cousin Helen, oh dear cousin Helen. And then she tumbled down by the sofa somehow. The two pairs of arms and the two faces met, and for a moment or two, not a word more was heard from anybody. Yes. Then she tumbled down by the sofa somehow. Tumbled down means falling down. Yes, she fall down to the sofa. Kathy fall down to the sofa somehow. And the two pairs of arms means the arms of Kathy and arms of Helen. And the two faces met. Yes, their hands and their faces met each other. And for a moment or two, not a word more or less heard from anybody. Yes. Then there was a silence. They did not say anything for a moment. They become so surprised. Is it clear? Two pairs of arms means the hands, the two faces met. Yes, they met each other, and at that moment, they had nothing to say because they were so excited. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Then a perfect hubbub of questions and exclamations began. A perfect hubbub of questions and exclamations began. You can see the meaning of hubbub of questions. Many questions being asked at the same time. Many questions being asked at the same time. Yes. These two persons, that is Kathy and Helen, they are asking questions continuously. They are asking questions continuously. They want to ask many things, so they ask questions one by one continuously. Is it clear? Grace, is it clear? Okay. Abel? Josie? Is it clear? Okay. Now, next one. Cousin Helen's going to stay 3 weeks this time. Isn't that nice? Asked Elsie while Clover anxiously questioned. Are you sure that you didn't suspect? Not one bit, not the least tiny weeny mite. Yes. Then Elsie asked that Cousin Helen's going to stay 3 weeks this time. Isn't that nice? Yes. Here, Elsie is making a question whether Cousin Helen is going to stay here 3 weeks. She wants to know that whether Cousin Helen is going to stay their house for 3 weeks. Is that nice? Yes. She asked that. Is that a nice thing? While Clover anxiously questioned, are you sure that you didn't suspect? Not one bit, not least tiny weeny mite. Yes. Then Clover anxiously says that yes, Clover anxiously asked questions. Are you sure that you didn't suspect? Yes. Here Elsie says that cousin Helen is going to stay here for 3 weeks. So Clover says that, is it sure? Or are you guessing that? Is it sure or are you guessing that? Suspect means guess. Not one bit, not the least tiny weeny mite. Yes. You can see the meaning. Here, even a little bit. Yes. Is this your guess? It is a little bit. This is your small doubt. Is this your small doubt? Cousin Helen asked. Is it clear? Yes. No, indeed, not the least. How could I suspect anything so perfectly delightful? And saying this, Kathy gave cousin Helen a rapturous kiss. Yes, then, no, indeed, not the least. No. Yes, here Elsie says that this is not my doubt or my guess. It's sure that cousin Helen will stay here for 3 weeks. How could I suspect anything so perfectly delightful? Yes, you can see that I am so happy. How could I suspect? How could I guess something in this kind of way with very happiness? If I am doubtful, I will not be happy. I will not be happy. Here, Elsie is expressing his words in a happy mood, isn't it? So, we can say that she is sure that what cousin Helen is going to stay in the house for 3 weeks. Is it clear? Yes. Then delightful means happily. Okay. And saying this, Kathy gave cousin Helen a rapturous kiss. Yes. Then what did Kathy do? Kathy gave cousin Helen a rapturous kiss. Rapturous kiss means joyous kiss. Here, Kathy gave cousin Helen a joyous or happy kiss. Then, such a short day as that seemed. There was so much to see, to ask about, to talk over that the hours flew and evening dropped upon them all like another great surprise. Yes. Now, the author is describing about the day. The day seems to be very short for them. For Kathy and her family, the day seems to be very short. There was so much to see, to ask about, to talk over that the hours flew and evening dropped upon them all like another great surprise. Yes. In that day, they want to talk many things. They want to see many things. And these hours, the time had passed very fastly. This was a happy occasion. We also felt like that, isn't it? During the time of any functions or happy occasion, we felt that the day is going very fastly, isn't it? In a boring day, we may feel that the day is too slow, isn't it? Yes, likewise, here they feel that the day was too short. The day was too short and there is much to talk, to ask, to see, and they say that the time over and the time flew. Flew means fly. Is it clear? And evening dropped upon them all like another great surprise. Yes. Now it is evening time, and we can see that next paragraph. Cousin Helen was perhaps the happiest of the party. Yes, they are conducting a party, And we can see that cousin Helen was perhaps the happiest of the party. Who is the most happiest person in that party?
Cousin Helen.
Yes, cousin
Cousin
Helen.
Helen.
Yes, very good. Cousin Helen is the most happiest person in that party. And besides the pleasure of knowing Kathy to be almost well again, she had the additional enjoyment of seeing for herself how many changes for the better had taken place during the 4 years among the little cousins she loved so much. Yes, yes. What was the reason for her happiness? Besides the pleasure of knowing Kathy to be almost well again. Yes. Her reason for the happiness is not only Kathy's progress, but there are some more reasons other. What are the reasons? She was happy about the condition of Kathy, as well as she had the additional enjoyment of seeing for herself how many changes for the better had taken place during the 4 years. Yes, here this cousin Helen is meeting her cousins after 4 years. Okay, so cousin Helen is also happy for that. About all other cousins. Is it clear? Not only for Kathy, but also for all these cousins, because she had met them before 4 years. And yes, Helen says that there are many changes had happened for these cousins, for she loved very much. This cousin Helen loved her cousins very much, and there are many changes that were occurring in that house and these cousins. These all things make cousin Helen the most happiest person of that house. Is it clear? Yes. In this paragraph, we have got the idea that cousin Helen is the most happiest person in that party. What are the reasons? Because it's because of Kathy's progress, as well as she had met these persons after 4 years, met her cousins after 4 years. It made her more joy and happiness. Is it clear? Okay. I think we can continue the next portion of the chapter in our next period. We have only 1 minute remaining. And did you have any doubts?
No, miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay, you can say.
ഏത് ലെസണാ കണ്ടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എക്സാമിന്?
ഏത് ലെസൺ ആണോ? One stormy night and the poem Looking Glass River. One stormy night and Looking Glass River. Is it clear? You will have an exam on Tuesday at 7 p.m. Don't forget. Okay. ആരും ഇൻഫോം ചെയ്യാതെ എക്സാം എഴുതാതെ ഇരിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല കേട്ടോ. എന്തെങ്കിലും റീസൺ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് എന്നെ അറിയിക്കുക. Okay. Now we can wind up. We can meet in next period. Okay, bye. See you. Thank you.
Miss.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Miss. Bye, Miss.
Bye.